Studying the history of musical culture and making musical instruments deepens the feeling of patriotism among young musicians. The skill inherited from the ancestors of the Turkmen people, rooted in the depths of centuries, undergoes great changes in the prosperous epoch of the powerful state. The pleasant sound of tuduk emanating from the hands of craftsmen who love their work glorifies this wonderful time. Tuduk occupies a prominent place in our national musical art. They play it both individually and in ensemble. Our creative group has prepared and offers to your attention a program about tuduk, one of the national musical instruments. Tuduk is considered one of the ancient Turkmen musical instruments. Qarghi and Dilli tuduk, dutar, qajaq are the main national musical instruments of the Turkmen people. Let's talk about tuduk, one of the national musical instruments. Qarghi tuduk is one of the first ancient Turkmen musical instruments. Tuduk is made from reed growing in Turkmenistan. In particular, the musical instrument is made from the reeds that grow on the banks of the Murgab. The thinner the reed, the better the sound. Collect the reed after it's completely dry, then it is left in a dry place. Reed should be chosen very selectively. The sound of the tuduk depends on this. Tuduk is made of reed. It has 7 parts. It has 5 holes. Tuduk is one of the most complex musical instruments in the world. You have to extract sound from the empty reed.
Ulu bolsa ol bolanak diyen sesinden berenak. Şoň üçin gargy babystan halifalarymyň ýasaşlaryna görä 7 ogundan barat. Onu içi deşilýär. Onu ustaýdyny 5 tane deşik, şeytan deşik diýilýär. Gargy tüýdük oga adalmak. Esasy şoň kyn rahmet talap edýän.
Different people have their own characteristics of sound extraction. For example, it is customary for the Turkish people to blow outside. We have own characteristics. This instrument has extraordinary sound and original technique of playing it. This is where you can get supple. The player must be healthy. A person who plays tuduk should have healthy lungs. Playing the tuduk does not harm the musician's health. Music raises a person's mood, charges with a positive energy. These are our master mentors Yal Muhammad Köfe, the mentor of my mentor Baqi Mashaqov. Reed cracks from moisture and dryness. Our mentors smeared it with a cotton seed oil, heated it and put a sheep's false gauges on it, and it held it tightly, prevented it from cracking and adjusted the volume.
Halifalarymyz içinden ýa-ni çigit ýagyny geçiripdirler, gazdyrıp. Daşyna da goýunyň gyzyl ödegi şo geydirilipdir. Hem şol bek saklaya jaýylmalygyny, hem owazyny sazlaya, hem saguralyň uzak bolmagyna uly kömegi bar. Şu ýanyma başlar beýikden aýdýar bular. Bärde inçerek tüýdüňiz bir saat tüýdüg, bir beýgrek bolýar, onuň owazy gowalýar. Ene yankı dişim ene şutaýda şu tüýdük ýütgeşiräkdir mundan.
There are various tuduk. This tuduk has a higher sound. It makes wonderful melodies. The instrument emits a gentle, sweet sound. I will play music on this tuduk.
Sağ tüýdüň sesi inçeden şirin owazy gowy berýär. Şoň üçin inçe tüýdükde sağ ýerine etirilipdir. Şutaýda men sağ tüýdüginde bir sağ ýerine etirip beren gargy tüýdük. Şu gargy tüýdük biziň ilk kadim.
I said that this qarga tüydük is one of the first musical instruments. Along with this qarga tüydük, our national musical instrument are played. We teach young people that some way we used to play. In addition to this, it is possible to play melodies that correspond to old folk tones, especially on our musical instruments, qopuz and dutar. The qarga tüydük has its own music. Dutar has great music, said Humaralı. The main melodies next to the qarga tüydük coincide with the qarga tüydük because the holes that it makes sound like they are going to be tone, half a tone. As far as possible, I will let mentors can perform some of these wonderful songs, such as the music of Ay Cemal, Bady Saba, Yok Menin, Çuval Serpen, and others.
Ustad halifalarımız şundan bir näçe ajaýyp sazlaryny Ay Cemal tazy, Bady Saba, Yok Menin, Çuval Serpen, ýene şoňa meňe sazlary ýerine ýetirip bolýar. Bagşylarymyz ýanama aýdypdyr.
Our Bakshi sang Yanaman near the qarga tüydük because when he plays the Yanaman near to the qarga tüydük, a sound is formed. The sound in a qarga tüydük and a beautiful sound, a song are formed. So to speak, a side next to the qarga tüydük is when our Bakshi masters pronounce it near the qarga tüydük. You need a loud Bakshi voice if you want to say it next to the qarga tüydük. There is big difference between chanting a dutar and chanting a qarga tüydük. Our Bakshi who singer near the qarga tüydük are called Yanamaçı Bakshi. Now let's listen to one of the songs next to the qarga tüydük at this point in our program.
Yanamaçı bagşylar diýipdirler. Gepleşigiň şu ýerine, ene gargy tüýdüň ýanan ýanama aýdymlardan birini dinläliň. Ey yaranlar, ey halaýyklar, ey yaranlar, ey halaýyklar, ýeňlerim gyzlar gelýär. Cepa çekip zalar, yollarım kıyılar gelide. Cepa çekip zalar, yollarım kıyılar gelide. Bir de şeyle eşretli zamanında yaşayan hormat.
I express my gratitude to the esteemed president for giving prosperous Sibak. I wish the esteemed president sound health, long life, and success in his state activities.